Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: your Google account type, a reliable connection, and an updated browser. Once done, go directly to Google Classroom and sign in with the account you'll use for teaching. Make sure you pick Create Class if you're the teacher or Join Class, and enter the class code if you're a student. Doing this first avoids permission mismatches later, so pause and verify your account and browser settings before moving on to course setup. Now build structure. Create the class name, section, and subject so students know where to land. Once that's ready, use the Classwork tab to add topics, assignments, materials, and clear due dates. This keeps things organized and searchable. Make sure to attach Drive folders or files for consistent access, import question banks when useful, and invite co-teachers early so responsibilities are clear. These steps reduce confusion and speed up grade. Finish by inviting students, share the class code, or send email invites, and post a simple welcome plus the first assignment so everyone can test access. Monitor submissions in the Classwork and People tabs, return grades promptly, and use private comments to guide learning. When the course ends, export grades or archive the class for records. If someone can't join, check domain restrictions and the class code. As a quick fix, clear cache or open Classroom in an incognito window to rule out local browser issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.